Welcome to the 2024 MakeX Robotics Competition, MakeX Starter All-Core Journey. MakeX Starter is a multi-missions competition that requires cooperation between the Red and Blue Alliance teams. The dimension of the All-Core Journey arena is 2317 mm by 2317 mm. And each arena is divided into an automatic area and a manual area. The robots shall conform to technical requirements. The maximum extension size of the robot shall be 280 mm by 280 mm by 300 mm. There are 4 starting areas in the arena. Robots shall start the match from their respective starting areas. There are 6 independent missions, 3 alliance missions. The mysterious mission will be announced at the scene in large-scale competitions. Every match lasts 240 seconds and consists of an automatic stage, a manual stage. The duration of each stage is determined by the alliance. When the automatic stage begins, robots can score with the following actions. 1. In the internal memory, there are yellow alphabet cubes representing quantum chips and yellow cubes representing organic crystals. Remove the internal memory with the yellow letter squares or yellow squares in it completely from the starting area for 20 points per set. 2. In the cube transfer area, transfer the yellow cube with its base or yellow alphabet cube in M01 to the transfer area, and ensure that the yellow cube with its base or yellow alphabet cube is solidly fastened to the high-speed sorter before moving it to the manual mission area. Each yellow alphabet cube is worth 30 points. 3. In the cube replacement area, push out the red or blue alphabet cubes representing data blocks through the logistics dispenser to make them fall from the manufacturing table to the manual mission area, where each red or blue alphabet cube has a score of 30 points. 4. At the cube placement area, remove the respective M or X alphabet cubes from the manufacturing table until it is completely off the table, and a red or blue cube is worth 20 points. 5. In the password filling area, transfer of alphabet cubes M or X representing cryptographic element from Mission 4 to the password checking area. A red or blue cube is worth 10 points. And displace the red-blue alphabet cubes embedded in the resource converter and transfer them to the manual area. A red or blue alphabet cubes is worth 30 points. 6. At the central resource shelf, pick red or blue alphabets cubes to send to the manual area from the warehouse mixed with yellow cubes, and the yellow cubes stay in its original position. A red or blue alphabet cube is worth 30 points, and a yellow cube is worth 10 points. 7. In the center of the auto mission area, toggle the antimatter fuel rods to adjust the codes therein to forward MakeX either or reverse MakeX. An antimatter fuel rod arranged in the correct order is worth 30 points. At the end of the automatic stage, the match enters the scoring time of the automatic stage. After the scoring of the automatic stage has been completed, the competition will proceed to the manual stage. In the manual stage, the robots can score through the following actions. 8. In manual area, there is a matrix research station in the center where the robot is remotely controlled to move the alphabet cubes. The red and blue alphabet cubes are embedded in the matrix research station according to the color of the cubes and a specific alphabetical order. Above the center is the manual loading area. The operator can move the cubes to the manual loading area, and the observer can change the cube's position. Each successful embedding of a red and blue cube in the order of colors is worth 20 points, and if both players use red and blue cubes to complete 2 MakeX missions, an additional 100 points will be awarded. 9. The operator manipulates the robot to move the team marker to the circular designated area on both sides of the square embedded in the storage rack, and one team marker is worth 30 points. At the end of the match, robots of both sides shall stop immediately and calculate the final score. Welcome to the 2024 MakeX Starter All-Core Journey.